Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the laptop off, unplug chargers, and remove any external drives. Once done, disconnect the internal battery if accessible. This prevents shorts. Make sure you have the correct SSD type M, 2 NVMe versus 2. 5 SATA, because the slot and screw spec differ. Use a magnetic T5 or T6 driver and an ESD wrist strap and place screws in a small tray. You should already have a verified backup of your OS and files. Cloning is next if you want to migrate the system. Once the back panel is open, identify the storage area and fan layout so you don't block airflow later. Next, unscrew the SSD standoff and gently pull the existing M.2 module out at a shallow angle or slide the 2.5 drive out of its caddy. You'll install the new SSD the same way in reverse. Insert the M.2 at an angle until contacts seat, press down to the standoff, and fasten the screw. Make sure connectors click into place and no cables are pinched. You'll finish by reconnecting the battery, snapping the panel back, and tightening screws. Power on and press the BIOS key to confirm the new SSD appears. This validates electrical and slot connections. If you cloned your OS, change boot order to the new drive and test boot. For a fresh install, use a USB installer and format the SSD during setup. If the drive isn't detected, shut down, reseat the module, try another slot if available, and update BIOS. These steps usually
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.